Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Haven't uploaded in a while. I'll be uploading a video tomorrow as well because I have ordered an i5-9400F 9th gen processor. It's a lower end than the 9600K, but screw it. Might as well just get this one. But anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of ads completely off YouTube. This actually makes it so the company that is doing the ads doesn't get money. Just keep that in mind. I don't use an ad blocker personally, but I'm going to start using one because ads are starting to do two of them now. Like they add two ads at the beginning, and sometimes in the middle. Well, not in the middle. I don't think I've ever seen two ads in the middle, but it's just getting really annoying. So what you want to do is you want to go to the Chrome web store, which is chrome.google.com/web store/, and then you go to extensions, and if you can scroll down and find something, but I usually use AdBlock Plus. There will be a link to this extension in the description below. This is the one right here. You're going to do add extension. It's going to pop up here. So now installation is successful, so you can go ahead and reload the page. Ads are completely gone. Now this is the easiest way to do it. There's other ways, like you could buy YouTube Red and it still gives the company money, so it helps them out. But this is just a quick tutorial because I haven't uploaded in a while and I decided to do a video. This is not going to take very long to edit. I'm probably not going to do much editing, but add the intro and the outro. But again, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. I'll see you guys next video, and if you guys have more ideas for short tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. See you guys next video, and peace.